First on the list, got the battery charging. Well, obviously needs a lot of cleaning up. Bunch of leaves, need to vacuum it all out, but I want to get it running first. Anyway, say the battery seems to be pretty dead. I guess something drains it. Don't really realize it. There you have it. That's what I'm tinkering with. Cleaning up the boat and getting it running again. Started on the first crank. Let it run a little bit. Battery charged up. Not all the way. I'm gonna still keep charging it, but like I say, it started up on the first crank. Turned the key one time, started right up. Awesome. The boat geared up.
Alright. Hanging hard. Clean the boat. We'll be ready. Asthmatic, James River. Might even take it down to West Point. It's looking beautiful. Our little James Bond boat. See? Looking good. Covers off. Fared the winter. Fared the rain. He did good. Here's our buddy Bear. Our first mate. I'm sorry, I'm first mate. He's our second mate. Bear. He's checking everything out. He's gonna pick a stick, add to our collection. He's doing good. But it looks beautiful. Can't wait. Engine's almost charged. We'll be flying soon. Second mate thinks we need a big stick on the boat. I don't blame him. We could use that for multiple purposes, can't we, Bear? Start a fire with it. Look at those big logs. We could use those for camping. You're the best.